Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram Super Sync. As you may know, Instagram has this feature by the name of Super Sync, but unfortunately, it's no longer available, it seems, or it's not available in most regions. So I'll be showing you a quick workaround. The first thing you will need to do is simply go into TikTok. If you don't have the app as yet, I would recommend you download it. And you're going to open TikTok, and from here you're going to tap on the plus. Then you're going to select upload in the bottom right hand corner, and you'll quickly select the video that you wanted to post or videos that you want to post on your Instagram story. So for example, I will select this video right here. Then you're going to tap on next, and at the top of your screen you are going to tap on add sound. And from here you can select the sound that you would like to use. Then tap on the sticky. Then you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. And from here you want to select who can watch this video. And you're going to select only me. Then you're going to close out of that, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see more options. You're going to tap on that. Then you want to turn on save to device, as you can see right here. After doing that, you're going to go back and you will simply tap on post. And once you have posted the video, it will automatically be saved to your device. And from there, you'll be able to upload the video to your Instagram story. So you'll be able to upload multiple videos to your Instagram story using the same song. And you'll simply go back onto your TikTok page, on your profile, your main profile, and you will find the video that you have uploaded. For example, this one right here. Tap on the three dots, and from here you can scroll across and select delete and delete the video. And that's it. Hope you have found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.